I'll guide you on crafting aesthetic videos using InShot on your phone. With simple steps and creative touches, you can enhance your video style beautifully. Basically, you won't need many apps for this, just a few essential ones. In this InShot section, what do we need to focus on carefully and thoroughly? We need effects, so you add an amazing effect that matches your video style perfectly, as you can see here. That suits your video style perfectly, as shown. Here, you choose effects that you really like and suit your video style. For example, I have this effect here. As you can see, it's quite unique. We slightly stretch it, as you can see here. Now what do we do next? As you can see here. We can also, for example, use a mask, as you can see here, to enhance the video creatively and effectively. How does the mask work? As you can see here. Choose a mask carefully to enhance the video, as you can see here. Let's save this carefully now. Let's add something like this, as you can see. Let's choose this photo, as you can see here. Let's adjust it so this photo doesn't appear, as you can see here, carefully and clearly. Let's move it down, as you can see here, carefully and clearly. Alright, or move it upwards now. Move it upwards, as shown here. Alright, good. We've moved it, as you can see. Let's add a mask effect now. Add a mask effect, carefully. And add this effect, for example, as you see. Something beautiful, as you see. Let's do it like this, carefully. All done, effect added nicely. Additionally, we can subtly tweak some details in the mask carefully. Now, let's apply the mask here. Let's adjust it like this on the sides, as you can see here. Or perhaps we could try it like this instead. For example, we save it now. And we can add some more filters, as you can see right here. Let's go to the Filters section and add some amazing filters. Carefully. Saved it successfully now. Now, you smoothly add music to the video. Carefully. Choose any effect you like best. Add some stickers as you like. You can also add text overlays, as you can see here. You can even create text using AI tools, as you can see here. And then add music too, carefully. Thanks for watching, everyone. Wishing everyone good luck today. Goodbye, everyone. Take care.